Using form in Excel. As you know that you can add, update and delete a record using a form. A form displays only one record at a time. To perform all these operations, first you need to create an Excel worksheet and enter the desired data. Adding a new record. Perform the following steps to add a new record. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Form command from the ribbon. 3. Click on the New button. 4. Enter the details and click on the Close button. Record will be added in the worksheet. Searching a record. Follow the given steps to search a particular record. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Form command. 3. Click on the Criteria button. 4. Type the desired field value which you want to search and press the Enter key. The searched record will appear if exists. Deleting a record. Perform the following steps to delete a record. 1. Move on the record which you want to delete by clicking on the Find Next or Find Previous button. 2. Click on the Delete button. The record will be deleted from the worksheet.